guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com. We're excited to say that we will be having our first live stream video.
We're going live! We're going live! Are you excited? Are you excited? I am. Huh? Are you?
Yes, I'm excited. We want to say hi and meet as many people as we can and say thank you to everyone who supported ForeignMRE.com and the ForeignMRE.com channel. If we have time, maybe we'll even have a giveaway.
Ooh, yes.
As always, our giveaways are worldwide, so if you're able to hear and see the live stream, that means you're eligible to participate.
So, old mate Drop Bear in Australia, can he participate?
Yes, he can.
Ta-da!
Everyone can participate except for the countries that we can't ship to.
Oh, man.
Consider this your personal invitation to join us for our first YouTube live stream. If you have any questions that you'd like to ask us in the live stream, please leave them in the comments below and we'll answer those questions first. We're so excited and look forward to talking to everyone.